Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. Thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today. I really do appreciate it. For those of you who this is your first time visiting with us, thank you so much for choosing to spend your time with me today. For those of you who are coming back, thank you so much for coming back and sharing the love right back at you. Well, before we get into the reason for today's video, I do want to get those preliminaries out of the way. If you are currently not subscribed to Season Beauties, go ahead and hit that button below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We would love to have you. You know, family look out for most of them do, but right here, family looks out for family, and we appreciate it when family stops by. Okay, now while you're in that general vicinity of hitting the subscribe button, also hit that bell so that you will be the first to know when a new video is uploaded. So let's get into the reason for the video on today. Well, I went to P.O. Box, got a package. It looks like this, and I love the fact that it said fragile across the bottom. Valuable stuff in here. Okay, and what we're going to be doing is unboxing. I guess you can call it unboxing. It's a package, but we're going to be opening the YAS, oh yes, package on today. And while I'm opening this, for those of you who are not familiar with this service, it is a monthly service where you receive anywhere from 3 to 7 items each month. Now I know that's a big jump, but there's a reason, and a very good reason I might add. The reason that it can be anywhere from 3 to 7 items is because of the weight of the items, okay? And based on the weight is what depends on how many items you get in the package. Okay, so, and how am I going to tell you all that and don't tell you what it cost? Anyway, the cost for this monthly subscription is $14.99 per month. How about that? And they have been so gracious enough to give me a coupon code to pass along to you where you can get a discount off of your subscription. So if you like what you see, by all means go to the description box below and click on the link so that you can become a part of the YAS, oh yes family. Okay, now we're gonna jump right in, and the description card looks like this. Okay, and this month's theme is resting witch face. Okay, all right, and one of the things that I absolutely love about this service, I'm just saying one of them, is on the back of each card, in addition to the items that you get, they already list the manufacturer suggested retail price of each of those products, so you know what the value of each package is. Okay, so we're going to just go ahead and jump right in. Now, the very first item on the description card is Sticks lipstick. Okay, manufacturer suggested retail. This is some interesting packaging. The manufacturer suggested retail price on this item is $20. Okay, and this is what the outside of the packaging looks like. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look and see. Now, I will tell you right off the bat, the color of this particular lipstick is the color rose. Okay. This has got to be some of the most interesting and ingenious packaging I have ever seen on a lipstick. Oh my God, this is so cool. This my friends, is the lipstick packaging. Okay, that is pretty amazing. So right here on the side it does say Sticks Cosmetics, and it has a pop top. Look at this right here, so that you can open the lipstick. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and swatch this and see. Oh, okay, here's the color, which is very pretty, and it's very, very moisturizing, that's for sure. Oh my god, that is so cool. I've never seen anything like that before. Okay, anyway, moving right along. And oh, I love the snap. You know it's very well secured. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price on this item, as I said, is $20. The next product is quite bright, I might add. It is an NCLA nail lacquer. Okay, and this is in the color I've been drinking. What in the world? Okay, so that's the name. It's a very, very, I want to say almost highlighter pink. That's what I'm going to call it, highlighter pink. Okay, but it is very, very pretty. Okay, the manufacturer suggested retail price on that product is $15. The next product, boy, this packaging is just so gorgeous here. Okay, can you see that? All right, this one is called Lighten Up by Mirabella. Okay, and this is a Mirabella Visionary Longwear eyeshadow. Oh my goodness. Okay, and this says it's in the color Charmed. This is the inside packaging right here, and I'm very, very intrigued, so I am going to open this up. That is so beautiful, and the packaging, the letters that are here are actually raised. Okay, I know you don't really care about all that. It's just a matter of digging in. And it has a little message here on the top. It says, want to stay fresh, keep me on the jar. So it's trying to make sure that you keep your shadow fresh. What? Okay, I thought this was a powder. This is not a powder. What in the world? Okay, I'm going to put it right next to this lips. Nice. Okay, now this is the lipstick right here. This is the shadow. Let's put a little bit more product on there, see if we can actually build. Oh yeah, okay, there we go. That's a nice swatch. The second one, this one right here, is the shadow in Charmed. That is pretty. That is very pretty. Well, we want to keep it fresh, so of course I'm putting the top back on, but just so you can see what the texture of it is like. See, that's why I thought it was a powder. You see, that looks like a powder, but it's not. That's pretty ingenious. Okay, of course, snap that top back on, put, well, the cover on, and then we'll put the top back on it. So that one is item number 3, and the manufacturer suggested retail price of that one is $30. Then the next product is by Scone Cosmetics, and it's a Luxe Pro brush. Okay, I can never have too many of these because this is a nice fluffy brush. Okay. Alrighty, very nice, very nice. And this one is the blending brush, of course, and it says the scone name on the side. Alrighty, and then, okay, I'm sorry, the manufacturer suggested retail price of this one is $20. And the last item is an IBY Cosmetics City Limits palette. Here's the packaging, which is very iridescent, and I like. And these are what the colors on the palette look like. And this one, as I said, is City Limits. Manufacturer suggested retail price of this palette is $28. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open this one up. And of course the inside packaging, which is like the outside. And it does come with a nice size mirror. Okay, and let's see the colors. Okay, now they do actually have the names of all of the colors on the palette. I'm not going to bend it backwards. I'm just going to show it to you upside down, okay? Keep in mind this is upside down. That's why you see the names upside down. I just don't want to blind you with the mirror, okay? Now, we can go ahead and swatch a couple if you'd like, which I'm sure you do. All right, let's go ahead and we'll swatch this blue one. This is called Backstage. Ooh. And the next one is called Dance Party. And then this one is called Light Show. Nice. Very, very nice. Okay, well, I will say this was not bad for $14.99 plus shipping, and we received the City Limits palette, the single shadow in Charmed, and the nail polish, the brush, and that wonderful ingenious packaged lipstick. $14.99 plus shipping, and the manufacturer suggested retail value of this package is $116. So not bad, not bad. So as always, I just want to say to you, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. We appreciate you stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. And as always, until next time,